Welcome to Knowledge Time classes. In this video, we are going to solve example 10.2. Let us now read the question properly and then we will put the inputs. An object 4 centimeter in size. So object size, you know this is object distance, image distance, object size, image size. What is given? An object 4 centimeter is size. Whatever, you always know. U is always negative, H1 is always positive. So this is positive 4 centimeter. Is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Concave mirror, it is placed in front 25 centimeter. U is equal to minus 25 centimeter. Of focal length 15 centimeter. Now for this concave mirror, focal length will be negative. So focal length f is equal to minus 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should the screen be placed? So they are asking you the image distance. V is equal to how much? Find the nature and the size of the image. So H2 is equal to how much? And nature, that means whether the image is real or inverted. First, step 1, you write whatever is given. Step 2, use proper sign conventions. Always remember, U is always negative, H1 is always positive. For concave mirror, F is negative. For convex mirror, F is positive. If you don't remember this, you can draw this rough diagram and then you can analyze it. Now, and second, what I told you, out of U, V and F, you should know any two things. If you know any two things out of U, V and F, you get the third thing. I have U, I have F. I want to find V. So I will use mirror formula. Using mirror formula, what is it? 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. What is the value of F? 1 upon minus 15 is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. So plus 1 upon, it is going to be U is minus 25. So this becomes minus 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon 25. Minus 1 upon 25 comes here. So you get 1 upon 25 minus 1 upon 15. This minus sign becomes plus. Minus 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon V. So therefore, 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 25 minus 1 upon 15. What is the LCM of 25 and 15? It is 75, right? So 25 into 3 is 75, into 3 is 75, 15 into 5 is 75, 1 into 5 is 75. So you get 1 upon V is equal to 3 minus 5 upon 75. 1 upon V is equal to minus 2 upon 75. Therefore, V is equal to minus 75 upon 2, which is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. So this means your image is at a distance of 37.5 centimeter towards the left. Okay, so you get the answer as V is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. So this is done. Please note down this. Now, once you have found the value of, to find the nature, we have to find the value of magnification. So we will find the value of magnification. So I get V is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. Now, next is you want to find the nature of the image. To find the nature of the image, we use magnification. Magnification is equal to H2 upon H1, which is equal to minus V upon U. So this is equal to, what is value of magnification? Minus V is this minus is of the formula minus 37.5 divided by minus u यानी minus 25. So this minus minus gets cancelled. This is minus 37.5 into 10. So divided by 25 into 10. I am removing this decimal. 37.5, sorry. So this becomes minus 375 divided by 250. So m is equal to, you do the 25, this is 25, 10s are, and this is 25, 25 4s are 100, 8s are 200, 12s are 300, and this will be 15. So m is equal to minus 1.5. What is the meaning of m is minus 1.5? I explained you. Negative sign means it is real. Greater than 1, this means it is magnified. So your nature, what will be the nature? Nature will be, it will be real and magnified. So this is the nature. Now you have to find the size of the image. I have magnification is minus 1.5. So can I write this is equal to minus 1.5? This answer is minus 1.5, correct? I'll just rub this. So can I say h2 upon h1? h2 upon h1. What is h1? h1 is 4 is equal to minus 1.5. Therefore h2 is equal to minus 1.5 into 4, which is equal to minus 6 centimeter. Minus means it is inverted. Minus means it is inverted. So it is real, magnified and inverted. Understood? So the approach to each and every sum is going to remain the same. You should be able to write the values of u, f properly with sign conventions. Second step, use mirror formula to find the third u, v, f. Out of this, if any two is given, if you want to find the third parameter, you have to use mirror formula. Then use the formula magnification is minus v upon u. With that formula, you can find the magnification and you can find the nature of the image. With the help of magnification, you can find the size of the image. So the flow for all the problems will remain same. But remember properly, if in the first step you do mistake of putting incorrect signs for u and f, your whole sum will become wrong. So what is the first step? Step 1, properly write the sign conventions or draw this diagram. If it is given it is concave mirror, you draw this. If it is given it is convex mirror, draw this and write these conventions and go ahead. It is okay if you spend 2 minutes over there, because otherwise you solve the whole sum, spend around 10 minutes, and then if it is wrong, you will never come to know also that we have done mistake. Okay?